Hindi siya mangyayari agad, pero kung susuko ka na ngayon, hindi talaga siya mangyayari at all. Lahat tayo may mga gustong ma-achieve or gawin sa buhay. Pero madalas nawawalan agad tayo ng kumpiyansa kasi feeling natin di na siya mangyayari, feeling natin ang imposible nung gusto natin, or parang ang bagal ng progress natin. Mas minsan di natin maiwasan i-compare yung success ng ibang tao sa success natin. Na parang, sila ganun na yung na-achieve nila. Tapos ako ito pa din. Siguro dapat ma-realize natin na kaya mahirap yung mga pinagdadaanan natin kasi magiging worth it siya in the end. Now we are destined to achieve bigger things in life. Siguro quick reminder lang to na whatever you're achieving currently, may it be big or small, you have to still celebrate yourself. You're already doing much better compared to what you were doing yesterday. Compared to where you at last month, compared to where you at last year. So kahit pa konti-konti yung progress, ituloy mo lang. And I hope ma-achieve mo lahat ng gusto mong ma-achieve in life. Yun lang, bye.